troops troops elixirs are more, I can easily bring it up. When we should use the elixir golem is when we are having more than level 11, elixir golem will be useful, but in level 9 and all, the elixir golem will not much useful in our deck. So try to avoid choose elixir golem. If you know to play the elixir golem, please keep and play. If you can't play it, try to avoid the elixir golem. Actually, Expo was a good defense and offense for me this match. Until last of this match, he can't bring Jane to my tower itself. From this, you can learn that always don't try to have the card which are attacking straightly to the tower. Always for that you can keep defense. For that defense you can keep which are attacking the troop also. He made a mistake in choosing the card. Due to that, he have been lost this match. Next draft challenge. Actually, it's a 2 elixir draft challenge. So I choose more than 6 elixir because enough elixir to play these cards. So I choose more than 6 elixir. Due to that, it may be a supportful and it may be a offense also for us. Always try to have a building spell in your deck in draft challenge, because building may be a supportive deck to you. If you are keeping any one troop in front and keeping building deck behind, it may be very good support and very good defense for your tower. So the if opponent is having any straight like hog rider, giant which are attacking straightly the tower, it may be useful for you to defend your king towers. Actually, he made this mistake is he didn't watch one of the tower. He was actually watching other tower and left one tower. Due to that, in both the places, the attack went more. Actually, then miner he was using fully for to using to break my furnace. In, in that also, he has lost his match point. But he was well known to play how fire spirits. In this place, I used a lightning. Due to that, it was attacking the tower and it was defending goblin cage. Now only he used miner to attack my tower. He is losing his match point. From this itself, I found that he is losing his match point. He know to defense only one tower. He can't defense the both tower. Due to that, he lost this match. Graveyard. When your opponent tower is having low point, try to use graveyard. That is also a good advance for you. By luckily, I got a graveyard that was more useful to me in this match. Then Royal Recruits. This was defensive and offensive to me. Lightning also was a good defense and offense to me, that used to destroy my troop cards. Yeah, like this how I won the match. Next is the new challenge, Fire Spirit Challenge. I played one match. In next video, I will show what deck is used for the Fire Spirit Challenge. The new challenge came for you. First, I played with my most probably deck, which is most convenient to me. Always try to play the deck which is convenient to you. That may be more useful for you. Fire Spirits are good defensive card. More than offense, it is a good defensive. In this, I am going to give a best advice is you play troop in front of the Fire Spirit. Don't allow the Fire Spirit behind your troop. That may be leading a disadvantage you. See, Fire Spirit is a good defensive card. How it is defending the mini P.E.K.K.A. I loved that. How it was defending. In this match, always try to have small elixir cards. More than bigger elixir, small elixir may be useful in this match. In this match, what mistake is did by opponent is while starting itself he was using more elixir card. Due to that he lost this match. See how Electro Wizard was defending my Ram Raider. That was a nice move. Always try to play Mega Knight behind your tower. In this, due to the fast I played in front of it, that actually wrong move. Even though he was attacking my another tower, but I was able to manage to defense because of the Fire Spirits. When you are having tower point low, opponent tower point is low, then try to have a card which are attacking straightly building. That may be useful for you. In this, even to defense my tower, Fire Spirit was using. So I love the Fire Spirit card and the challenge. That's all, 30 seconds only more. Wizard, both three wizards are a good defense and a supportive card. Fire Spirit came, then I launched Prince. That's all. It is enough to finish the Mega Knight. Still 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's all. Match over. Okay, these are my today replays in this video. Next video we can see tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Bye friends. Before you log out, please subscribe and like my channel Mega Knight. Okay, thank you. Bye.